was it?
Well, I'm still eating it, but it's delicious.
All right, kids, we are about to check into our hotel and have a drink on the rooftop of the place that we're staying. So,
Reservado.
we are staying at the Hugh Hotel, but parking a car somewhere in this little parking garage. So we'll see you in a little bit for the room tour. Goodbye, my love.
Hasta la vista.
Buenas noches. All right, so we are staying in on the 11th floor. Number 1107. All right. We did a little bit of a walkthrough. My one massive negative here. What are we missing here? A coffee maker. Oh my God. And I need to tell him to get the bottled water. All right, so we have the refrigerator.
It is life. A yawn is a silent scream for coffee.
I'm loving how retro this is. We upgraded this for $10. Okay.
Bathroom feeling here. I love the lighting. This is so cute. The sink here. You do have a
Yeah, they talked about how nice this place is online and stuff. And they said, this isn't very, very good. I was like, no, it's not. We've been here since 7. It's not great. They said, yeah, they're saying they got this rooftop bar that's really nice. And I was like, yeah, it's not that nice. It's not that amazing. Like, best we could give them is like 2 out of 5 stars.
This is a Motel 6 with a
with the
bar.
Yeah, with a fancy name.
All they're missing is a swimming pool.
I told them that we've stayed in a lot of hotels around here.
Expedia tricked us. Expedia tricked us.
Expedia is a trickster.
Expedia knows their angles.
Well, maybe.
They even got us to upgrade our room. And this is our upgrade right here. Get in there and upgrade. Yes. Good morning, friends. It is Saturday, and you know where we're about to leave to go to. The airport, 5:30. No way in today, of course. It is my vacation away from that. But, yeah, running on about 4.5, 5 hours of sleep. We set a goal of 9 p.m. in bed, but really fell asleep closer to 11, which is not great for me. We do have a busy day ahead of us, so we'll see you at the airport. Also, just wanted to say this hotel is a 1 out of 5. Never staying here again. But did meet some lovely women from Hammond, New Orleans area. One that owns a soul food restaurant. It was so sweet. There was one lady, she was handicapped. They were here for a girls' weekend, and she called me a Barbie. That was so cute. I was like, oh, that's the ultimate. But yeah, I love the people that you meet along the way. I do enjoy getting to know people 10, 20 years older than me than actually hanging out with people my age. But yeah, this hotel bed was okay, but everything else about it, it's refurbished, but refurbished in a half-ass way. No coffee maker, so dang.
Someone partied too hard and left their bridges in the hall.